Hello, fellow crafters, and welcome back to another episode of Scraps and Forgotten. Today on Leftover Love, we have this beautiful card created out of a bunch of backgrounds that I just created and didn't give it the love it needed. So let's get started. So here's a background that I created using Yupo paper and some aqua pigments. I was doing my little experiments thing. And I'm going to use my Misty tool along with the You Color My World stamp. And I'm going to stamp all these little images all around my panel to create a background. I want it to be like a graffiti background or, just something with just like a scrapbook, like there's just scribbling around the scrapbook. I wanted to have that kind of a background because that's the kind of vibe it gave me. And I used the Concord and 9th Good Vibes die and utilized the shadow and word die, and I cut them together from the front panel. Then I took another background that I created using aqua pigments, and I took the rest of the die cuts and I die cut all the pieces. The vibes, I wanted that half white and then the bottom to be pink. I kind of like that look. I feel like it goes with the doodle graffiti kind of background look. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna die cut the word die, the good only die, and then the rectangle die that goes for the center that also comes with it as well. But I'm going to later on change my mind and cut that out of some black cardstock instead. But we just have another episode to make with Scrap and Forgotten. We're just adding more. So I'm gonna run this through my Gemini, and then we're going to go ahead and take all the pieces out. Okay, so now that we did the die cutting, let's get back to that front panel. So I'm going to take another aqua pigment panel that I had created. And I'm gonna place this in the back of our created background panel. Now, I wanna make sure that I place my sentiment in the correct place. So I'm going to place some washi tape on the ends so that it does not move. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place my sentiment in the middle and make sure it's perfectly centered the way we want it. All right, we're gonna add some foam tape behind our front panel. I did double up this panel because it was a little bit on the weak side, so I had to double it up so that it will stand firm on our project. So we're gonna add some foam tape behind it, and I wanted to pop it up behind because I kind of wanted that aqua pigment design to still pop out. I wanted it to be known it's different. So I went ahead and I just popped up the front panel, the best way for you to show it. You saw that I put a little bit of liquid glue. That was because I needed a little bit of wiggle room, and putting liquid glue behind your foam gives it a little wiggle room as well as a strong bond. Hey guys, if you guys enjoy the videos and contents I put up, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and it really does help out a lot. And hit that like button or hit the unlike button and show me and tell me what I could do to improve. There's nothing wrong with the unlike button either, guys. Let's get back to the card. All right, looking good, looking good. I love it. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that center part. So you'll see I'll try to use the one that I originally had cut, and then I tried to see how it looked without that background, and it blended too well. Too well. Yeah, I felt like it was hiding the vibes. So I ended up die cutting it out of some black cardstock, as I stated previously, and I utilized the black cardstock one, and I think it was perfect. I think it actually helped the design to pop. It also helped to kind of tie it all in together, I think. I love it. It's cute. I placed some foam tape behind it to kind of help the vibe to be stable, because I knew if I put it flat, then the vibe part would be kind of bent in the mail. So placing a little bit of that foam tape, and then I went ahead and glued vibe onto the card. And there you go, guys. I went ahead and placed it on a side folding cardstock, and oh no, I think this might be a top fold. No, side fold. Yeah, a side folding cardstock, and I used my tape roller and put them together. You'll see also, I guess I must have lost some footage, but you'll see I also had placed some embellishments on top. These embellishments are from my cat scrappiness stash, and I never could figure out the name of these. I gotta go find that out for you guys, because you'll see these a lot. Like, they're my go-to when it comes to like easy embellishing. But there is our finished card. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be looking forward to seeing what kind of ideas or ways that you use your scraps and your forgottens. I can't wait till next episode, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget, you are beautiful, you matter, and your life is the art of this world. Bye.